Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we'll be optimizing our NVIDIA drivers for optimal performance and the lowest amount of NVIDIA driver latency. Before we begin, all the files used in the video are in the description or in my Discord server. First, let's uninstall all drivers to completely avoid conflicts. Launch DDU, select GPU, and press clean and do not restart. After that is finished, let's head into the second folder, NVClean install. Here we can open NVClean install and manually select the driver version. Now here I only recommend two driver versions, 546.29 or latest. Now once we selected our driver, press next. In components, press recommended and then next. Once we get to installation tweaks, we select the following options and once again select next. Finally, we can press install and wait for it to install. After that, close everything. Once that is done, we can go over the third folder, NVIDIA control panel. Open up the NVIDIA control panel and follow along. Here, we select the highest resolution and also select the highest refresh rate our monitors can support. Once we are finished with the control panel, we can now configure the hidden settings. Head over to the fourth folder. Open up the NVIDIA Profile Inspector and then drag the .nip file into the UI and press Apply Changes. And finally, we can configure the hidden registry keys. Side note, I only recommend laptop users to skip the part of the video as it may cause your laptop to overheat. Open up the registry editor and paste this code at the top. The code will be in the text file in the folder. Then press Ctrl+F and type this in. And press enter. Then make a new dword key and name it Disable Dynamic P State and set it to 1. Then make these dwords with the values shown on the screen. Then head into the other registry directory you see on the screen right now. Make a new dword named buffers in flight and set it to 20. And finally, we can restart our computers and enjoy the optimized NVIDIA settings. Thank you as always for watching, and if you had any issues, feel free to ask in my Discord server. See you next time.